Chandramouli Dwarapur Reddy, Narsipatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Chandramouli Dwarapur Reddy's life took a defining turn just after completing his BTech, when a severe electrical accident resulted in the loss of all 4 limbs.
I met with an electrical accident. My hands and legs were fried, so they had to amputate below knee both legs and below elbow both arms. And in 6 months after the accident, I stood on my prosthetic limbs. I believe Mouli is much bigger than anything else. That's just an accident.
Armed with an LLB and an MBA from IIM Ahmedabad, Mouli today works with Accenture, translating resilience into purpose.
ఈ సిచ్యువేషన్ జరిగిన తర్వాత కొద్దిగా భయం పడ్డా. తర్వాత వీడు క్యాట్ ఎగ్జామ్ రాయడం, ఐఏఎంలో సీట్ సంపాదించడం, దానివల్ల ఆడు మంచి కెరీర్లోకి వెళ్ళడం. ఇప్పుడైతే ఆడు పర్లేదు, హ్యాపీగానే ఫీల్ అవుతున్నాం.
Mouli's journey has been strengthened by the constant support of family, friends and teachers.
After the accident, definitely they have supported me, not just my parents but my sister. There were around 70 to 80 of my friends at the hospital.
వాడు చిన్నవాడైనా నాకు కూడా చెప్తూ ఉంటాడు. ఈ యాక్సిడెంట్ అయిన తర్వాత వాడు ధైర్యంగా ఉండడమే కాకుండా మమ్మల్ని కూడా ధైర్యంగా ఉంచాడు.
Mouli is not that kind of person who accepts the sympathy. He has the ultimate mentality, the thought process, the mind is excellent.
From childhood onwards, he's a kind of great sportsman.
He works very hard. He has talents of both singing, dancing. He used to play games.
कॉन्फिडेंस, उसका वॉइस मुझे डे 1 से अभी तक सेम. कभी भी सैडनेस, कभी भी लोनली, कभी भी लाउड, कभी नहीं मैंने देखा.
He takes every challenge. He knows that however challenging it gets, I'm able to look through it.
Mouli transformed adversity into momentum, shaping a life defined by purpose, resilience and achievement.
I want people to remember Mouli as a person who doesn't give up at any point. Every problem or anything, time will heal. Life is not about all happiness. You have to experience all kind of emotions. I think that's the life.
Chandramouli Dwarapur Reddy, recipient of the Coven Care Ability Mastery Award 2026.